That afternoon workday energy slump is real, but it doesn't have to be. The lunch that we have should sustain our energy levels the whole afternoon. What does your lunch look like? Is the portion size, are they right for you? Are the nutrients where we need them to be? And is it going to serve you and promote that energy that whole day through? We're going to look at that today with some really quick and easy lunches to take with you to help jumpstart your engine throughout that afternoon and give you that energy we need. First one I'm going to dive into is what I like to call the MTO chicken salad. Made to order chicken salad because you can make it any way that you want. Start with some leftover chicken from maybe the previous night's dinner. Whether you roast it yourself or whether you buy rotisserie chicken, break that up and add some paleo mayonnaise to that. A paleo mayonnaise is going to be something not made with a canola oil, but a better oil, something like avocado oil or even olive oil. And then throw whatever you would like in there. For mine today, I chose to put some grapes, some walnuts, onions, celery. You can even go fun and put some spices, maybe like a curry, or simple like salt and pepper. And then I paired that with some lettuce. All right, so you can see here, quite a full bowl. I just love making little lettuce wraps, simply taking that chicken salad that you have all ready, laying it out in that lettuce, and you can eat it like that, or you could just mix it all up in the bowl and go with it. Another way to add in some fun carbohydrates to that meal, if you miss that crunch of maybe the bread or something that you have on that sandwich, load up on some good gluten-free crackers. I happen to love the Mary's Gone crackers and stick those in here with that salad, even take a little bite. Another very important topic is let's slow down and take our time and eat that lunch. If we hurry up and then just gobble down this lunch in a matter of a few minutes, we might be hungry in a little bit. We got to give our body time to tell our brain that it's full. So I would say when you're sitting there eating this lunch, take time to assemble that lettuce wrap. Take time to dip those crackers into that chicken. Chew and savor your food because that right there can actually keep us full longer simply by slowing down our eating. The next meal I love is going to be a salad, but this is not your typical salad. This is a not your sad salad because salads can be pretty sad. If we look in here, I've loaded this up with lots of those macronutrients, lots of good protein. I just had, again, leftover chicken from my chicken salad, so I put that right in here. If you don't have that, you could do anything like maybe even a canned salmon or anchovies or sardines, which are jam-packed of those great omega-3s. So you can really pick any protein that you would like. Then just start throwing in whatever you have, guys. This is also a really easy one to make with whatever ingredients you have on hand, okay? Of course, a base of greens, spinach, iceberg lettuce, mixed greens, and then start having fun. In here, I have this artichokes. I have olives, celery, almonds, and always I like to throw in that sauerkraut, okay? So I love sauerkraut as a dressing on a salad. I would probably even put some olive oil on here and really round that out with a nice kind of good healthy fat on top of there. But don't be afraid to throw that sauerkraut right in there because we know that's so important for a healthy gut. So getting that in really even a couple times a day can be a wonderful support for that gut. So you can see here, this is not your sad salad. This is loaded full of ingredients that will keep you full throughout that whole afternoon. And then my last one, coming in with a soup. This soup is super simple. It actually takes under 10 minutes to make. You could make it the morning before you head out the door. You can make it the night before. You can make it a couple nights before. I love this soup because it's very customizable. I chose to make it, this is a type of ramen, I chose to make it with zucchini noodles. If you would like rice noodles, if you would like other noodles in there, then make it with that. It's really whatever is appropriate for you or maybe whichever food plan you're following, but I chose to get a lot of veggies in here. So I put some zucchini noodles, I roasted up some mushrooms, broccoli. I think the original recipe calls for peppers, but you know, I didn't have them on hand, so I threw some broccoli in there. And then I also use a bone broth. Okay, so bone broth is really great source of amino acids, which are supportive to the gut in the brain. So using a sort of bone broth, whether you make it homemade or purchase it in the store, great to top that off with and really load up the nutrients in there. With all of these lunches, you see how quick they are to make. I also have all of them in glass containers. Okay, there's no plastic, no styrofoam here. It's a simple step that we can take to limit toxin exposure. Certain type of things found in those materials are called xenoestrogens, and what they do is they affect hormone balance in our body. And so by eliminating those, bringing in glass reusable containers, super easy way to improve our health by limiting our toxin exposure and also doing something good for the environment. These meals are going to fill you up and last you all throughout the afternoon, preventing that afternoon slump, getting you home and ready for dinner.